Anita Brikman, welcome to the Valder Beebe Show. How are you today?
Doing great. Thank you for having me.
Well, we're going to talk about plasma donation centers across the state. And Texas has 117, I'm hearing. So tell me, first of all, what is a plasma location so we have a good understanding? And then we'll talk a little bit about patients with chronic illnesses.
So, a plasma donation center is a dedicated facility where plasma donations are taken. It is different than a blood donation center, but as you said, there are many across Texas. Plasma donation is so important because there are proteins and antibodies in plasma that patients with rare and chronic diseases desperately need. Plasma-derived medicines are also used for everyday medicine uses in surgery, trauma, burns. But a plasma donation center, when you walk in, I would think hopefully is a very welcoming place. What people can expect when they go in is to fill out a medical questionnaire, a health screening, a basic physical, and then they go to donate the plasma. Plasma donation does take longer than blood donation because it is done through a process called plasmapheresis. That means when the blood is drawn out, the plasma is separated out and the red blood cells and other components go back to the patient. This does take a little bit longer, but that's basically what a person can expect.
When you donate plasma, this is a question coming from one of the social media platforms that they listen to us on. They want to know, when you donate plasma, are you depleted? Are you giving away something that you need?
That is the most miraculous part, I think, Valder. Absolutely not. We do know that plasma can regenerate more quickly than whole blood. In fact, the Food and Drug Administration says people can donate plasma up to 2 times within a 7-day period. Now, the biggest issue is the volume of fluid that is coming out with the plasma. It is 90-some% water. So what is done at a plasma donation center is that sterile saline goes back to the donor through the IV to help them replenish, in addition to hydration and snacks after the donation. But our bodies regenerate plasma and those critical proteins and antibodies quite quickly.
Great explanation, Poster. Hopefully that works for you. Can you tell me about Plasma Awareness Week? I've never heard of that.
Well, a lot of people haven't. International Plasma Awareness Week is our week to say thank you to plasma donors. And here's why. There are hundreds of thousands of people around the world who rely on these plasma-derived medicines. Some of these medicines cannot be replicated in any way in a lab, and human plasma is their only source. So we use this week as a week to say thank you if you consider donating plasma for people with bleeding disorders like hemophilia, a primary immune deficiency, people born without working immune systems, certain neurological disorders that could end up putting someone in a wheelchair, but they can lead a happy, healthy life if they have a plasma-derived therapy. And plasma is used, as I said, in different everyday medical situations, sometimes during surgery, in treating trauma, severe burns. There are a host of uses for plasma. And that's why we have this week, is to say we need people to be aware of this need, and we need them to consider donating plasma and to say thank you to our regular donors.
While there is this Plasma Awareness Week recognition, does it tell people the conditions that would prohibit them from donating plasma?
Absolutely. On our website, plasmaweek.org, our microsite is plasmaweek.org, there's a lot more information that you can find out about parameters for donating plasma. But most healthy individuals can. People who weigh 110 pounds or more, are 18 years or older, and have not had a tattoo or piercing within the last 4 months. In addition, when you go into a plasma donation center, you will get that free screening to make sure that you are healthy enough to donate, that you aren't taking any medicines that might preclude you from donating. But there are really very few parameters. We're really looking for healthy, willing people to come in and donate.
If they wanted to donate, how do they get started?
So as I said, plasmaweek.org has information about donating plasma, but there is also a map, a locator on our website where you can put in your city, you can put in your zip code, and find the plasma donation centers nearest to you with links to their websites. Now, this is a great way to find one in your community and get more information. All of our plasma donation centers also have information to tell people what to expect, how to get ready, how long it will take. All of those kinds of questions are answered on the Plasma Donation Center websites, but people can find them initially through plasmaweek.org.
I want to remind my audience that I'm speaking to Anita Brikman. She is president and CEO of Plasma Protein Therapeutics Association. Anita, I want to thank you so very much. You have educated me and my audience extremely well about plasma donations, and I thank you for taking your time to stop by the Valder Beebe Show to do this.
And thank you, Valder, for having me.
Hi, I'm Valder Beebe, host of The Valder Beebe Show. We have over 1,000 videos on ValderBeebeShow.com and YouTube.com/ValderBeebeShow. We upload new videos daily. Our site is a modern baby boomer platform with news and information important to boomers. Subscribe to YouTube.com/ValderBeebeShow and stay connected as I interview the world's most fascinating people.